Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am new download driver Epson EcoTank, and you type the series area. You type the driver download. That's why I search the official website. Is here the official website? Click here. This one. Website loading. This here the printer. Looking this area. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down again. You click the driver and software. Download driver or software for your product. Click download. Swipe. Okay, this is the printer, and if you select your system operation, click here. This is the system operation match. This is the Android system operation and Chrome OS iOS, Linux, and Mac OS. This is the new Mac driver, Mac 12 and Mac 11. This is the for Windows 8, Windows 11, and Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, and Windows Vista, Windows XP. This video I need download driver Windows 11 is like a system operation for the Windows 11 driver Epson. Click here. Please wait the driver loading. Okay, this here the Surya print, and if you need download printer, you click here, and this here the version and release update for the field site. And if you need download driver scanner, click here, and this is the scan page for the user interface and universal driver print. This is uh, uh, for package driver print universal. This video I am need download driver Windows 11 for the driver print and driver print or print Wi-Fi and print cable. You click button download. This here the driver. This here the driver print. Click button download. That's why the driver download. This here the driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, turn on the top the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB printer, and your please write finish driver download and click run as driver. This here the driver detect automatic for the cable printer. If you did install driver for the Wi-Fi, this here connect print for the Wi-Fi, and you're running the driver, you search your uh, IP printer, you see IP printer before. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download